Good morning, Virgos, on this Friday Eve. Once again, I want to wish you guys happy holidays ahead of time. If you have plans and will be traveling, won't be able to check in with me. I completely understand. Went to Target yesterday, and it's not even, I guess it's getting close to Christmas, but it was packed. You know how they have those lines forming? I was like, oh no, I'm not doing all this now. Because it's just going to keep getting worse as time goes by. Oh, okay. Here we go. 7 of Wands. I get that a lot of people are looking at you, watching you glow up. You're like on center stage, and people are looking up at you, and you don't even realize it. You're like, oh, no, not yet. You can't, I'm not going to look at you yet. Let's see. You notice how the 7 of Wands people's world is kind of dirty and dingy, and then within your globe, it's galactic and pretty. Yeah, well, you're vibing on a much higher frequency than they could ever. Maybe you're planning to run away. Once you're completely in check and everything's perfectly in place, you might just run away so you can take a nap. We'll see, we'll see. Let's pull the Kipper on this. It's always good to take time out. Let's see, let's see. Gift. You possess the gift. It's not just a gift, it's the gift. Christmas is coming, so you might get another gift. It's kind of slid out. Somebody's thinking of you. Perhaps somebody that ran away from you is thinking of you now. They even painted a picture of your face. Maybe that's why you're turning away, because you know they're looking at you with great intent. They can't get you off their minds. Wow, we be popping today. This one came out first. Great fortune. Yeah. After you receive this great fortune, you might have to go to a lawyer to get things straightened out. 2 more cards on this, Spirit, please and thank you. I'd like to shout out to my personal angel, Uriel. Thank you for being around and helping me out. I love you. Message of concern. Dun, dun, dun. Always, always. Who's concerned and why? And why should Virgo even care? Why should we care? It don't matter. Your concern is no longer my concern. You ran away. That's your problem. Virgo's going on a journey. Told you. Not only did this person run away, but, I mean, you're probably not going to run, but you're going on a journey. Let's see, let's see. Since Journey came out, I'm going to pull from the Hero's Journey. Gift and great fortune. Did you manifest this into your life? Probably. Did you raise your frequency? Yes. I believe you have. Maybe it looks like this guy or girl that's thinking about you, they're going to get this message of concern. They're going to be concerned that you had the gift all along. You're getting this great fortune. And they're going to hear about you going to court. Or, you know, going to an attorney. To get your assets in check. And then you're leaving. And then by the time you're already on the train and it's pulling out of the station, this person is reading this letter saying, oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Make the grade with flying colors. Remember, you signed up for this. Absolutely. From fear to fuel. Stand still and own your power. There you go. In the castle of dreams, become altered by the color of your dreams. Splendid torch. Blaze brightly. That's the sun card. Afterglow. Land gracefully. Once you're done, you got to land gracefully because remember, you're like on a huge tower. So you got to, when you come back down, land gracefully, please. One more. What would you do? Wait. What would your higher self do? You are divinity in blue jeans. That's funny. I am wearing blue jeans today. Who else is with me? Hey. You are divinity in blue jeans. Angel in blue jeans. All right. Got some Sea Oracle cards. The gift. That's why this box is here. I just realized that. I'm like, why is that gift card popping out? They're like, the box, the box. Gratitude. May you honor all that you receive, because it's the gift. Look at that. That's good enough. That's good enough. Grateful. All right. Let's see what we get from the Wild Child cards. You are being gifted many things. I'm going to do a split on this. Ooh, spider. Gonna weaving some type of web. Cocoon stage. Here you go. It's vibing right off of this Four of Swords. So that's telling me it's very important to get your rest. Do not skip out on rest. Do you feel like you're caught in some type of maze right now? Don't worry, that will pass too. Or maybe this person is caught in a maze. All right. Manada. Let's see what we got from here. This is a little spicy, so if I have to cover things, you'll understand. Virgos are very understanding. Please and thank you. For my victorious Virgos. That's what this spread is. Victorious. You are the champions, my friends. I'm going to do a split on it. And drum roll. Instinctual bliss. Purity of purpose. Like a flower in spring. There you go. Like a flower in spring. Okay, so you might, this gift and great fortune is coming, excuse me, is coming in spring. Next springtime. All this will take place. 2024. Let's go. Are you excited? I am. I'm just going to cut these. Oh, okay. Nightingale. It like flipped right in my hand. Love it. Love it. Nightingale. I never got that before. Doesn't the nightingale sing at night? Sing a song. Spirit. Could it be in here? Could it? Would it? Hey, I think I would know this by heart. Alright, here's some birds. Maybe it's in here. Hummingbird, bee, firefly, bat. Vulture, crow, owl. Here we are. Nightingale. Fearless voice, speech, communication, or song. The song of the nightingale is otherworldly. This simple brown bird, almost unnoticeable among the flashy plumage of other birds, transforms its listener to the realm of poetry. Nightingale energy is with us when we write, compose, and especially when we sing. It reminds us that music heals the deepest wounds. This card indicates a need to open the bridge between the heart and the voice. Is there something you need to say? How long has it been since you sang? Turn it up, write it down, and let it out. That's beautiful. I love it. When in balance, sings, speaks freely with kindness. When out of balance, shy, lump in the throat. To bring into balance music. Make sure you start singing today, whether it's in private or otherwise. Maybe you're a singer. Maybe you want to be a singer. Did you try out for The Voice? You know, they had online tryouts that you could do. I don't know if they're still going, but you might want to try that out. So Virgo, thank you as always for joining me. I wish you the best. And remember, next spring, you're going to be so happy, you're not even going to remember today. So have a great Friday Eve and sing your song. Bye.